No, I didn't snipe. It's over. Oh fuck, I forgot to put on delay, guys. Should I restart the stream and put on a little delay? Alright, let me restart the stream. Guys. I forgot. I need like 5 seconds, guys, delay. It's actually so cringe without it. Every smoke gets sniped. It's too much. Boy, it's fine. Hey guys, I'll be back. I promise I'll be back within 5-10 minutes, guys, okay? Give me a moment. When this